Let's walk you through the process of converting an Excel file to a CSV format. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, navigate to the top left corner of Excel and click on File. Then move over to the left and select Save As. Click on Browse button to browse location. Select your desired location where you want to save your file. And then, now you can see here my mouse pointer, a box called Save As Type. Here you can save the format type of your file. Click on that box. You will find lots of formats. Scroll down until you find CSV format. There might be several options, but the most compatible one is CSV, delimited. So choose that and click on Save button. That's it. The file has now been saved. You can find it in designated location when you open it. It will likely open in Notepad, but you can change the default program for opening it. Like you can see, when I am opening, it's opening in Excel, and if I click on and edit it, then with Notepad, then it will open on Notepad.